In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your Brother MFCJ1360dw printer. The printer comes with the ink cartridges. So 3 are here and one black is this side. Power cable is here. So that's our printer. Let's start the setup. First we have to remove the protective tape. Plug in the power cable at this side. Go to the printer display panel. Select your language and press OK. Confirm it. Press the upper button. Press this button to do the setup from the machine and confirm. Next is to install the setup ink cartridges. Press down button. Let's install the setup ink cartridges. Open this section. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. And now we have to install them one by one there. Take all the ink cartridges out of the packaging. Let's start with the magenta. The nozzle is there, so this nozzle will go to the down and back side. So it will go like this. Just insert it here. You will hear little lock sound. That means it is installed properly. Next is yellow. So adjust it here first and then push it in. And that is the last one, black. Close this chamber. Go to the screen. Press this button. Press again. Now enter the year and press OK. Then enter the month. Go to the OK button and press OK. Enter the day and press OK. Now you can select the time. Confirm it. Next step is to load the paper. Paper tray is here just in the front. Pull it out. Adjust the size. So push it to the one side. Load letter size, A4 size or legal size paper. Adjust it from here and place it in. Now go to the screen and confirm that the paper is installed. Click on this button. Paper output tray is here. This is just a small tray. This is the print quality sheet. Just look everything is okay or not. Select 1, 1, 1, 1. Print head nozzles are okay. Let's do the print head alignment. Click on the start. Letter paper, yes, press OK and start. So place this sheet on the scanner. Lift the scanner bed from here. Place it like this, facing down on this corner, and then go to the display panel. Now press this button to start the scanning. Press this button once the alignment is done. Now press this one for OK. and exit. Setup is complete. Let's do the wireless setup of the printer so that we can add it in different devices. Click on the Wi-Fi button. It will take you to the Find Wi-Fi network. Press OK. Select your Wi-Fi and press OK. Enter your Wi-Fi password from here. Press OK to apply the password. Click on this button. So printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Next step is to add this printer in a smartphone. Go to the App Store. Type in Brother Mobile Connect. You will see the Brother Mobile Connect app that is here. Open this app. To add the printer, click on the printer icon on the top. If you don't see your machine, click on the Add Machine. Select the first option, add your machine to the app. You will see Brother MFCJ1360dw printer. Select it. Skip. Activate later. You can also go for the refresh EZ print subscription, or you can do it maybe later. Setup is complete. You can skip this step, and here we can see our machine is connected and the setup is complete. Click exit setup. Now go back to your map. It will take you to the Brother website. So I'm just going back to the app. If you want, you can update right now, or you can cancel the printer. You can update later. Printer is ready. Let's do the printing and scanning test. So first step is to place a page here. For example, I have this page facing down on this corner. To do the scanning, click on the scan icon. If you want to make any changes, you can do the changes from this area and then click on the scan. So that is the scanning using the scanner bed. We can also do the scanning using the ADF tray. Add more pages for the scanning, or you can use the ADF tray for the scanning. To scan multiple pages, place them facing down like this, and then click on the add page. So that's the way we can do the scanning. Click on the done, and you can save it or you can share it from here. Let's do the printing. For the printing, you can select a photo or you can select a document, and then just give a print command. For example, this page. So you can see the speed for printing and scanning is good. Let's do the copy, and you can use the scanner bed to do the copy of the documents and photos. You can also use the ADF tray. So I'm going to use the ADF tray right now. So place it here facing down. Go to the screen. Click on the color or black paper for the copy. That's the complete setup of the printer. Thanks for watching.